Today we are going to learn about conversion of area of a square. So if the square has a side of 1 meter, then what will be the area? So length is equal to 1 meter. Then area of square is equal to length, the whole square, that is equal to 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter, that is 1 meter square. Next, we have another square which has got a length 100 centimeter. So what will be the length, area of that square? Let's see. So length is equal to 100 centimeter. Then area of square, again it is equal to length, the whole square, that is equal to 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. And the unit will be centimeter square. So from the last class, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the area too should be equal. That is 1 meter should be equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Now let's see how to do a problem with this. So our first question, convert 15 meter square into centimeter square. Again, the same process we are using. So meter square is the bigger one and centimeter square is the smaller one. So what we have to do? We have to multiply. And we know that 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So what is our question? It is 15 meter square. So what we have to do? 15 we will write as it is. Then instead of meter square, we will multiply 10,000 centimeter square. So what we will get? 15. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. And the unit is centimeter square. So it is as similar as the last class problems. conversion, again the basic is when we are converting a bigger unit to a smaller one, then we should multiply, and when it is from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we have to divide. Let's see how to convert from a smaller unit to a bigger one. Convert 25,000 centimeters square into meter square. So here centimeter square is a smaller unit and meter square is a bigger unit. So you have to divide. Again, we know that 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Here, what we have to do? We have to divide. Let's write our question 25,000 centimeter square. So we will write 25,000 as it is. Then, what is our sign? Division sign. Divide. And what should be divided? 10,000. But the unit will be meter square. So that is equal to, if I rewrite it, it is 25,000 upon 10,000. And the unit is meter square. So how many zeros? So before that, 25,000 I am writing it as it is. Okay, now how many zeros are there in this denominator? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from your right hand side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what you have to do? You have to give a decimal point. So this will be your answer. So meter, unit is meter square. So I can rewrite it again as it is 2.5 meter square. So the final answer should be 2.5 meter square. So 25,000 centimeter square is equal to 2.5 meter square. Okay, I have added exercise for you in the description box. You can go through it. If any doubt, you can comment. I will clear your doubt. Next is again the area of square. But there is, the numbers are, numerals are, and the units are different. Okay. So here again I am taking 1 centimeter. So here the length is 1 centimeter. So the area is equal to length square. That is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, which is equal to 1 centimeter square. Let me draw another square. I hope this looks like a square. So that should be equal to 10 mm I am taking. That is 10 millimeter. So the length is 10 millimeter. So the area of square is equal to length, the whole square, that is equal to 10 mm or millimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter, which is equal to 100 millimeter square. Okay. So again, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter square should be equal to 100 millimeter square. This is another formula. You should remember this. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. So let us see how to convert an area into one unit into another unit. Okay. So convert 22 centimeters square to millimeter square. So again here, centimeter is the bigger unit and millimeter is the smaller unit. So you have to multiply. I'm just writing m there instead of multiply. So we now learned that 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. So let us write our question. 22 centimeter square is equal to 22. I will write as it is. Instead of centimeter square, what I will write? Multiplied by 100 millimeter square. That is equal to 22 and there are 2 zeros. So 2 zeros mm square. Okay. So this is your answer. Now let us try another one. So convert 1500 millimeter square into centimeter square. So this is smaller unit and this is bigger unit. So you have to divide. Now, again, 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. So, let's write our question. 1500 millimeter square is equal to 1500. We will write as it is. What we have to do? We have to divide. So, divide sign, then 100, not millimeter, we have to write centimeter. We are converting it into bigger unit. So, we can rewrite it as, or you can, without rewriting also, you can do it. Okay. So, you will get 1500 upon 100. Then again, I am writing 1500 as it is. Here the unit should be centimeter square. I am writing the unit here also. But here there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So from you write 1, 2 and give 1 decimal point there. So you will get the answer. It is equal to 15 centimeter square. So 1500 meters square, millimeter square, 1500 millimeter square is equal to 15 centimeter square. Okay. Let's see another one. Not the exercise, but another unit. Again, for this conversion, I have added questions in the description box. You can solve it. So let's move on to the another one. Again, a square. I'm taking it as 1 meter. We have already done 1 meter, but let's see what we have to go for next. Length is 1 meter. Then area of the square is equal to length, the whole square, that is 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter, which is equal to 1 meter square. Now another square which has to be compared with this 1 meter. Okay, another square. Okay, sorry, I made a small mistake. I should have taken this as, instead of 1 meter, it should have been 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer, not 1 meter. Okay, so here also it should be 1 kilometer. I'm correcting it, 1 kilometer. So the length square is 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer. That is equal to 1 kilometer square. Instead of meter, I have corrected it as 1 kilometer. So length is 1 kilometer and the area is 1 kilometer square. Next square, I am taking it as 100 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters. So what is the length here? 100 meter. So area of the square is length, the whole square. That is equal to 100 meter Sorry, it's not 100 meter, it's 1000 meter. Oh, total mistake. So it is 1000 meters. Let me correct it. 1000 meter. So 1000 meter multiplied by 1000 meter. Okay, so this section I made a huge mistakes. So first of all, we are taking 1 kilometer, the length as 1 kilometer. So area of the square, that is length square, is equal to 1 kilometer square. That is 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer. Next is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, not 100 meters, it is 1000 meters. Okay, so 1000 meters Then length 1000 meter, area of the square, that is length square, 1000 meter multiplied by 1000 meter, that is equal to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and unit will be meter square. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and 1 kilometer square is equal to 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. 6. And the unit is meter square. Okay. So we can put it in the box. You should remember this. Now let's see how to solve a problem with this. Okay. Okay. So example 1. Convert 63 kilometers square into meters square. So here kilometer is a bigger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So we have to multiply. Then 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 lakh meter square. Okay, 1 and 6 zeros. So let us write our question as it is. 63 kilometers square is equal to 63, then multiplied by 1 and 6 zeros. Or you can say it as 10 lakh meter square. So 63 and 6 zeros. Meter square, that is 63. Sorry, 6 crores 30 lakh meter square. Okay. Then next, let us see how to convert meter square to kilometer square. So convert So let us convert 7568. So if it is 75 lakh 68,925 meters square. So meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is a bigger unit. So you have to divide. Then 1 kilometer square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meter square, that is 10 lakh meter square. Now let us write our question as it is 7, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 5 meter square. That is again I am writing it as it is 6, 8, 9, 2, 5. What we have to do? We have to divide. Divided by 1 and 6 zeros. Or 10 lakh. and the unit should be kilometer square. That is equal to 7568925 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the unit is kilometer square. Okay. So this will be equal to 7568925. I'm writing as it is. Then how many zeros? We have 6 zeros. So count 6 digits from your right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and give a decimal point there. So you get it as 7.5688925 kilometer square is the area. Okay, I hope the concept is clear for you. There are a lot of problems I have added in the description box. You can go through it. If there is any doubt, you can comment me. Last time I forgot to add the comment section. This time I have done it. So you can comment me there, or you can email me also. My email ID is, I will write my email ID here. rasmisidu@gmail.com. So you can mail me here also if you have any doubt regarding any of these questions. You can mail me. Thank you.